So a lot of hotels now, they have Chromecast, and you can watch like Netflix in your hotel room. So I get in my room, and I turn it on, and my Chromecast is not working. So I call down to the front desk, and the oldest voice I ever heard answered the phone. He was the age where you just go, "Thank you for your service." And it's like... So I tell him, I go, "Hey, my Chromecast is not working." And I could have just made up a word. I mean, he's never heard of that. I could have said, "My beep bop broke." I mean, he asked, "Are you staying here?" I was like, "Do you think I've called the front desk from a different hotel?"